Angel. And that's the story of our whole siblinghood. Now, this is the story of our siblinghood. Journey together. We have not only been brothers for a very long time, but we've also been in this band together for a long time. We've traveled the world together. We've had many, many, many highs, many, many, many lows together. And you know, writing this song was it felt so big in my brain, trying to write a song about our relationship and our dynamic. Because I think as all siblings feel, anybody out there got brothers and sisters and so, you know, it's huge in your brain. You're like, how can I possibly write something that encapsulates it? And I don't know if this is it, but this is my best attempt at it. Let me lie, please. Thank you. He's saying I love you too. It's hard. The songs all follow the sound of my voice. There's a red kite in the tree park, something straight out of French New. There's a mother with a toddler in her arms, wondering how she's going. The doctor spelled out her medical jargon. Aggressive regeneration. She stares at that kite by the old drain. I'm sorry, man, your son will never see again. She points a finger at the kite stuck in the tree. She says, babe, come on, babe, can't you sleep? See how high is our bright that shines against the sky. Can't see, child. It seems I can't see, darling. She said, follow the sound of my voice. There's an acne-covered teenage terror upstate New York's blind piano prodigy. All the kids call him the next great child. He plays in the band in the world. His brother guides him by his shoulder through these loud crowded venues, trying to steer that drum machine through get lost inside this great big world. When I feel like I'm invisible, like nobody cares, you're always there, saying I can see you, I can see you, follow